Hey everyone! So today we're going to tackle a huge problem, one that pretty much every teacher, parent, and student has bumped up against, the whole one-size-fits-all classroom. But what if tech could finally offer a real solution? Let's take a look at how AI is starting to personalize education one kid at a time.
This is the classic question, isn't it? You've got a room full of amazing, bright kids, but they're all at different places. Whether you're a teacher with a packed classroom, a parent homeschooling, or a tutor working one-on-one, you face the same massive challenge. How on earth do you connect with every single learner? How do you make sure no one falls through the cracks?
Right? And this old school approach, it just creates these extremes. You've got some students who are way ahead, and honestly, they're bored, they're checked out. And at the same time, you've got others who are really struggling, just trying to keep their heads above water. And for educators, that dream of giving each kid a tailored lesson, it often gets totally buried under this mountain of prep work and grading.
But what if technology could be more than just, a fancy projector? What if it could actually be a partner in all of this? So today, we're going to explore a platform called InfinityLearnHub STEM. It's built to do exactly that, and it's using AI to get it done.
So, what is it really? Well, think of it like a personal tutor for every single student. It's this super smart AI platform that doesn't just hand out the same worksheet to everyone. Nope. It actually listens, it learns, and it adapts to what each kid needs, creating a learning journey that's totally unique to them.
This slide really just says it all, doesn't it? Over on the left, you've got the classic worksheet. It's static, it's a one-way street. And on the right, you see the AI approach. It's dynamic. It's a two-way conversation between the student and the material. We're talking about a huge shift from a fixed, rigid tool to a learning partner that actually responds.
Okay, so what kind of stuff can this AI actually generate? It's not just about math drills, you know? The platform can create materials for the whole K-8 curricular. We're talking about building a solid foundation in math, helping develop critical thinking with reading comprehension, and it even helps with standardized test prep. It's got the bases covered.
And this is where the personalization really kicks into high gear. The system doesn't just guess or throw random questions out there. It intelligently tracks how a student is doing and adjusts the difficulty on the fly. It moves them smoothly between foundation, intermediate, and advanced levels, making sure every student is being challenged just enough but never ever overwhelmed. It's that perfect sweet spot.
So let's walk through what this actually looks like. First, the teacher creates one single assignment for the whole class. Easy enough. Then the AI jumps in and cooks up a unique version for every single student based on where they're at. As the kids are working, the system is right there with them, giving real-time feedback and hints. It's kind of like a virtual TA. And when it's all done, the teacher gets this amazing, comprehensive view of how the class did, so they can see exactly where to offer a little extra support. And get this, it goes way beyond just digital worksheets. There's this feature that is a total game changer: oral reading fluency. Just imagine a student reading a passage out loud, and instead of just getting a simple grade, they get super detailed feedback on their fluency, their accuracy, even their expression, their prosody. It's basically like having a personal reading coach on demand 24/7. So who actually benefits from this? Well, the short answer is pretty much everyone involved in a kid's education. For homeschool families, it's a structured and adaptive curriculum right out of the box. For teachers, it's a seriously powerful way to differentiate, and wow, what a time saver. For tutoring centers, it means they can offer truly personalized instruction. And for parents, it's a fantastic way to stay involved and support their child's learning. What's really neat is that the platform is designed for everyone to work together. It's got different views and permissions for each person. Students get their own personalized dashboard to practice and see their progress. Teachers get all the tools they need to manage their classes and look at the analytics. And parents get a little window into their child's learning so they can cheer them on from the sidelines. And they've made it really accessible, which is great. There are different pricing options to fit whatever your needs are. There's even a free tier, so anyone can give it a spin. Then you've got options for unlimited access, all the pro features, and even licensing for an entire school district. So it's not some luxury for a few. It's a real possibility for every student. So here's the bottom line. We are finally moving past the era of one-size-fits-all education. Technology like this isn't just about being more efficient. It's about making learning more human, more responsive, and way more empowering for every single student out there. It's about unlocking that amazing potential inside every kid by giving them the right challenge at exactly the right time.
Look, if you're as excited about where education is heading as I am, you should really go check out the platform for yourself. You can find everything at stem.infinitylearnhub.com. Go see how this stuff is literally changing the game.
And that really brings us to the big final question. Just think about it. What happens when we tear down these barriers to personalized learning? What kind of world can we build if every single student gets the chance to learn at their own speed, to follow their own curiosity, and to truly reach their full potential? The future of education isn't just about new gadgets. It's about a whole new way of thinking. Thanks so much for tuning in.